friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
different ways to ask, "How are you?" In formal situations, we say, "How are you doing?" "How are you doing?" "How do you do?" "How do you do?" "How do you fare?" "How do you fare?" "How are things coming along?" "How are things coming along?" "How's everything coming together?" "How's everything coming together?" In casual situations, we say, "What have you been up to?" "What have you been up to?" "What's going on?" "What's going on?" "What's new?" "What's new?" "What's new with you?" "What's new with you?" "What's up?" "What's up?" or "Sup?" "Sup?" "What are you up to?" "What are you up to?" "How are things going?" "How are things going?" "How are you feeling?" "How are you feeling?" "How's it going?" "How's it going?" "How is everything?" "How is everything?" "How's things?" "How's things?" "How's life?" "How's life?" "How's your day been?" "How's your day been?" "How's your day going?" "How's your day going?" "How you been?" "How you been?" "Everything good?" "Everything good?"
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!